On Twitter recently, Google reached out and asked if I'd like to have a look at their brand new Google Pixel 4a in this nice reviewer's box, and I've never had something like that come through before, so I was obviously over the moon and said yes please. It arrived the other day. I haven't opened it at all, so I thought we could open it together. Obviously, this isn't something I would normally do on the channel. I don't really do unboxings, but because this is such a special looking box and I've seen some stuff on what's inside it online, I thought we should probably open it together and see what's inside. So, without further ado, let's dive straight into it. I'm genuinely excited because I've kind of seen some things online, but I'm not sure what they are. Okay. So it says, Google Pixel 4a, your gift from Google, introducing the totally worth the wait phone, the Google Pixel 4a. I think that's because it was delayed like multiple times. We couldn't wait any longer to get the Pixel 4a in the hands of some of the biggest supporters, that's you, thank you very much, which is why you're one of the very first in the country to try out a Google Pixel 4a, 4 weeks before it goes on sale. Lucky boy. And there's some other information there, I'll let you read that if you want to. Oh, this is weird. Okay, so this is some form of stand. Which you can make out of the cardboard. It'd be cool if it was a wireless charger, but it's not, it's just a cool little stand. There we go, set that off to the side. Oh my god, and here's the stuff. It's explore, discover, enjoy. Got the Pixel 4a here. We've got just some information here in this little book. We've got some sort of mocktail. I'm not even going to try and pronounce that. The Negroni aperitif. I shouldn't have even tried, but there it is. It's a bit sticky. It's a little bit sticky around the lid there, so something's leaked. I will give this a try, just so I'll let you know what it's like. It's a bespoke, non-alcoholic celebratory mocktail with summer botanicals, blood orange, grapefruit, ginger, and black pepper, best served over ice. I will be trying that just off the bat and letting you know what it's like. We've got the bittersweet treat, which is this little thing here, if you can see that. That's, what is this? Oh, it's like it's a piece of orange. Let's try a bit for you. It's nice. Oh, it's really nice. That's been the best bit so far. So that's awesome, that was the bittersweet treat. And, oh, we got the mini mouthful, which is this other little tiny box there. On the inside of here, oh, getting crumbs everywhere, is some little mini crackers. Very cute. Let's give one a go, I'll let you know the flavour. It's like a chili rice sort of thing. It's nice, really nice. Not as nice as the sweet, that was really cool. Tell you what, let's have some of this, Let's see what it's like. I hope it's alright. Smells like grapefruit. Oh, it really was leaking. That's definitely leaked. That's really gingery. It's quite nice. If you like ginger beer, then you might like that. That's probably really rare. Probably shouldn't have drunk it, but oh well. There we go. I've drunk some. Gosh, it's really quite strong. That's definitely leaked. That's all over my hands. Right, what's this? We've got something here on the right-hand side as well. Oh, here's a mini menu. Oh, this just tells me everything that's on it, and it's all in a different language. Oh, let Google Lens help you translate it. Oh, okay, that makes sense. Cool, there's that. Anyway, those are all the cool little bits anyway. But the main meal as such in here is obviously the Google Pixel 4a. And here it is in its little box there. God, it's really tiny, that box. It's really nice, got the nice Team Pixel thing on the side there too. Very cool. Okay, opening that. I can't imagine this having a power brick in it, but maybe it does. Ooh, here we go. And there it is. The Google Pixel 4a. Very fancy, good size. That's a great size. Let's see what else we got in the box here. We've got some information and stuff. Oh, there is a power thing in there as well. It's got it all. It's got it all. And there's no headphones, but I guess that's kind of okay considering the price. And most people got headphones now anyway. But there you go. There it is. That's the reviewer's box. And it's really cool. It's difficult for, on camera you don't really get the same experience as if you were right here with me, but it's still a really cool set. That's what it looks like. And that's my unboxing. What I'll do is I'll take some pictures of the 4A because that's what everyone likes about Google Pixel phones, and I'll let you know some initial thoughts on those pictures in this video. Of course, I'm going to do a full review, so if there's anything you guys really want to know about the phone, if you want to know any specifics, then please leave a comment below and I will definitely get to those. But yeah, that's the unboxing experience. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. That was a lot of fun. I could do more of these, I reckon, but there you go. Anyway, here's some pictures for you.